Good morning, students. So the next chapter which we are going to see is business services. So generally, what is meant by a service? Service is a system supplying public needs such as transport, communication, utilities such as electricity and water. So what is meant by business services? Business services means the services which are used by the business organization for the conduct of business activities. Examples of business services are banking, insurance, transportation, warehousing, communication, etc. So in order to be competitive, business enterprises are becoming more and more dependent. Now we will see what are the nature of services. The first one is intangibility. Intangibility means which does not have any physical existence. So the services cannot be touched and felt. Okay, so the next one is inconsistency. Inconsistency in the sense it cannot be same for everybody. It is not consistent, the same for everyone. The type of service will differ from one customer to the other customer. So only we call it as inconsistency. The next one is inseparability. So since it is an intangible one, it cannot be separated from the business. When a business concern is going to work, then the service cannot be separated from it. Next one is there is no need for maintaining the inventory. Inventory means stock. Since service is not concerned with maintaining stock, there will be no stock maintained in service. From time to time we have to do that. The next one is lot of involvement is required for doing up a service. So these are the essential, or these are the nature of services. So the next one which we will see is the difference between goods and services. This tabulation will give you a clean differentiation between goods and services. The nature of goods is tangible, whereas the nature of services is intangible, that is no physical existence. And ownership transfer is possible in goods, whereas in services it is not possible. Separable, storage, perishable, production and consumption, all these aspects are involved in this. The next one we will see about the types of services. There are totally 3 types of services. The first one is business services, the second one is social services, and the third one is personal services. What is meant by business services? Business services are used by the business firms in order to carry out the business. For example, banking, insurance, warehousing, transportation, communication, etc. So the next one is social services. Social services are those services which are provided voluntarily. Voluntarily means out of their own interest, for the welfare of the weaker sections of the society. For helping other people it is done. So it is called as social services. The next one is personal services, which is involved in the services for individuals. That is, for particular individual, those services will be provided. For example, services provided to individual by tailor, beauty parlors, salons, etc. will come under this personal services.